Can you give us a snapshot of what you're going to be speaking about for your presentation on November 20th, which is entitled Enacting Mindfulness, A View from Cognitive Science?
Yeah, so what I'm really going to be focusing on is how, first of all, how this word mindfulness, which is used almost in a hackneyed way, really has a quite sophisticated understanding behind it in terms of Buddhist psychology and Buddhist philosophy. And I'm going to try to bring out some of the nuances of that, and then show how that actually enables a number of bridges to be created to understanding cognitive processes like attention and awareness, meta-awareness, metacognition, social cognition, through our study of those in cognitive science. And the emphasis is very much going to be on that it's inaccurate to think of mindfulness as a kind of personal, private introspection that then we could understand by mapping it onto the individual brain. I'm going to really be emphasizing the point that the kinds of mental processes that come into play in mindfulness are internalized forms of social cognition. They involve metacognition and meta-awareness, which are inherently social in their structure and in their development. So we need to see mindfulness as a kind of internalized social cognition, and that can help us also see it as always also a kind of social practice, so that focusing just on the individual, especially through, say, a neuroimaging lens, is in some ways distorting and is not actually it's not a good way to proceed if we really want to understand what is happening when people engage in mindfulness practices.